To the normal human eye, this may look like a bunch of colors and meaningless patterns, but to Fiona Ginty and her team at GE Global Research in Schenectady, these colors can change the way science looks at cancer and other diseases in the near future.
We look at these images and we go, wow, we're the only people who've ever seen it like this image before, and what does it mean?
Ginty explains the colors are images of tissue samples at the cellular level. Here's a look at what the medical industry is currently using. 8 years ago, Ginty and her team came up with an idea to improve that image. Instead of 1 or 2 levels of information, the new image displays multiple levels, making it easier to figure out how cells interact.
And how cells are responding to each other, and how that might create a complete picture with respect to understanding disease process and aging.
It requires several disciplines, including biology, chemistry, optics, and some serious computer power.
And we're applying computer science, which is probably the least visible thing here because it's in the computers, but that's analyzing hundreds of millions of data points and then assembling that into something that means
meaningful, she says, for researchers and physicians. Ginty's work is being featured in a new National Geographic series called Breakthrough, highlighting scientific discoveries and innovations. Ginty says it's the kind of exposure that will get young scientists and young students more excited about science, technology, engineering, and math.
More people are talking about science. There's more programs on TV like Breakthrough, the National Geographic show.
In Schenectady, Dan Bazil, News Channel 13.